Hey everyone! In this video, I've built a cool smoke-style love button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's interactive and fun. Every time you click the button, its color shifts and the smoky effect animates. So the more you click, the more vibrant and dynamic the colors become. If you'd like the full source code, HTML, CSS and JS, drop a comment below saying, "Code please," and I'll post the complete files in the comments or share a link. I'll also happily walk you through how it works and how to adapt it for your own projects if you want a short tutorial. If you enjoyed this demo and want more creative UI components, animations and front-end tricks, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss future uploads. I post new web design tips and mini projects regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.